Welcome to our step-by-step installation guide for the Flosenso Smart Water Level Controller. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up your device to ensure a seamless and efficient installation. First up, meet the Flosenso controller. This smart device allows you to manage your water pump from anywhere using the Flosenso app. You have two options for installation: connect the pump wire directly to the controller or use a switch and wire the controller accordingly. We have the tank sensor. This device accurately measures your tank's water levels and sends real-time updates to your controller. It will notify you when it's time to refill and automatically turn off the pump when the tank is full. Tank sensor is placed on top of the tank to measure the water levels in the tank. Here's a quick overview of how it works. The tank sensor detects water levels in your tank and transmits this data to the controller. The controller then adjusts the water pump to keep levels just right, ensuring you never run out of water or waste it. Follow along with this step-by-step guide to easily install your Flosenso device. Step 1. Find a suitable position to install the sensor on the tank. Select a side which is not directly in front of the inlet pipe. Step 2. Using the drill machine, cut a hole of 30 mm diameter in any one of the two suitable corners. Step 3. Insert the sensor through the hole from the top. Secure it tightly using a sealing nut from the underside of the tank. Step 4. If the tank has a rounded top, ensure the sensor is positioned perpendicular to the water surface or the ground. Contact Flosenso Care for assistance. Step 5. Connect the sensor wire and tighten it using the sealing nut on the wire head. Step 6. Make sure to measure the tank from the bottom of the overflow hole on the side. Step 7. Now take the order end of the sensor wire to the pump switch where the controller is to be installed. This end of the sensor wire has to be connected to the controller. Step 8. To complete the installation process, connect the plug of your water pump to the designated socket on the Flosenso controller. Ensure the connection is secure, as this allows the controller to manage the pump's operation automatically based on your settings. With the installation complete, you're now ready to set up and manage your device through the Flosenso app, available for download on both the Play Store and the App Store. Simply follow the app instructions to get started.